Take a deep breath. Breathe in relaxation. Breathe out anxiety. Breathe in calmness. Breathe out distress. Each breath allows you to go deeper into relaxation. Breathing in peacefulness, stillness. Breathing out chaos, uncertainty. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And in your mind's eye, you see a beautiful white light coming down from the heart of God. This light surrounds you. This light fills you. And as you feel it move, as you feel it flow, each part of your body it touches relaxes. Relaxing muscle, bone, skin. Beautiful light. Down. Down. Deeper into relaxation. Deeper into stillness. This beautiful light fills you, restores you. Relaxes you. As it moves and fills, you feel every part of your body now filled by the light, stilled, calmed, quieted by the light. And the light surrounds you, and the light carries you. And as you move and drift, you feel and see the light change. It changes first to red, beautiful, energetic red, grounding you to the physical. Feel its energy. Feel its strength as it surrounds you and fills you. And the light changes. It changes from red to orange. Beautiful spiritual orange fills you with a sense of connection, with a sense of awareness. And as it surrounds you and fills you, you are transformed. And the light changes from orange to yellow. Beautiful, beautiful yellow. As it moves and surrounds you, you find that your awareness and understanding is enhanced. For yellow represents the intellect, mind. Absorb what you need for wisdom, insight, and the light changes from yellow to green, beautiful, relaxing green, the vibration of quiet growth, the vibration of relaxation, calmness, quiet healing. Absorb what you need of this vibration. Feel it, fill you, surround you. You feel peace, and the light changes from green to blue. Beautiful, healing blue enfolds you, flows through you, restores you. Blue, the vibration of physical healing, the vibration that brings health, joy, wellness. Absorb its energy, and the light changes. From blue to indigo. Beautiful, beautiful indigo, the vibration of spiritual healing, the vibration that heals the heart, the mind, the soul. Absorb what you need of this vibration. Absorb what you need of the indigo. And the light changes from indigo to purple. Purple, the vibration of divine mind, divine presence, divine awareness. Absorb what you need of this vibration. Feel it, fill you, enfold you. Know yourself to be in the presence of God. And the light changes back to the beautiful white, the healing, renewing, energetic white, which holds all vibrations. And as you do, you are aware that you are traveling. You are traveling towards a planet. And as you move closer, you can see its rivers, its forest, its mountains, its plains, its seas. And you continue to move closer and closer. And as you watch, you move through the atmosphere. And you're aware that the journey takes you deep into the center of this planet. The planet is filled with life. The planet is life. And as you move and flow, you move deep into the crust of the planet. Safe, secure, comfortable, protected by the light, connected through the light. And as you reach the center, you are aware that here in this place is the core. Here in this place is the energetic center of this planet. The mind, the awareness, brain. And as you move towards it, you feel its energy. You feel its awareness. It communicates, as all great celestial bodies do. It communicates energetically through mind. It speaks to you. It sings to you. You are aware that you are connected to this amazing entity. It has been here for eons. It has experienced so much, traveled so far. It nurtures and supports all those creatures and plants which live upon it. The soil itself, the rocks, the waters are all aware. This place, this planet, all planets are special, for they hold within them a cell of the mind of the universe. Each one is a part of the whole, connected, aware. And you are connecting to this special energy. It heals, it renews, it raises your vibration to heights it has not experienced before. This connection will stay with you. This connection transforms you, for it expands your awareness of life, of presence. And this planet has given you a gift which you will carry. And as you move back away from the planet, you are aware that this journey seems to have taken but moments, and yet time is irrelevant. Much has happened, and you flow, you move back, away from this planet, back into the cosmos, back towards the place where you began. And the light changes from white to purple, from purple to indigo, from indigo to blue, from blue to green. And as you move, it changes from green to yellow, from yellow to orange, and now to red. And as it begins to turn white again, you are aware that you are no longer traveling, that you have arrived back at the place where you started, back at home, back in your body, back safe and secure, back aware and transformed. And you begin to move, become aware, and your eyes begin to open, and you have returned back to this place and time, back to the here and the now, refreshed and renewed. Your eyes are opened, and you have returned, refreshed and renewed. Welcome back, everybody.